Myntri Rangbah ke Jylla Conrad ke Sangma dan ke Sengi ulah Plie Pajba ya ka Mallangkona Police Outpost ha West KHASI Hills District. Haba ajing kren ha ke Sengi Plie u Sangma ula ong baka jing syong suk syong shngan jong ki brio ke Jylla kalong ke benta bah khmat jong ke sorkar. Ula ong ba kene ka Outpost ka batemai ka don ka khubor ka baklan baka syong suk syong shngan kalong ka badon kam da ka ba pentikna ba on sa sedang bu syu ki Outpost sa syaki we ki jaka ki ba sinjor ka sukasan ha ke Jylla. Lasdang ya ka Mallangkona Police Outpost hapo ka mau Shinrut Civil Subdivision hakas nem hajar khat khandai ka jinglut bantai ya ketika Outpost kalakot sya ka khanyo point san lak tingka.
Your program
all the way from Shillong to be amongst us despite your busy schedule. Your presence here is a testament
that as a government, the safety and security of our citizens is a top priority for our government. Yes, we have challenges, we have difficulties, but amongst those challenges and difficulties, if we all work together, if we all put our heart and soul into what we want to do and achieve, if we keep the objective and the purpose in front of us clear and visible, there is nothing that we cannot achieve. And that is the message of this particular inauguration today.
Yaga khusnam jong Indian Documentary Producers Association